Hey guys, it's me, Steph. Well, first of all, this was a Valentine's / Galentine's gift from Roseanne. Thank you, Roseanne. This actually arrived Saturday, and I would be lying if I told you guys that I have not already looked at it. I've already looked at it. Yeah, so let me start by quickly saying how when these went on sale, I think it was like the end of January, or I forget honestly, but I just remember the process of it, and I tried to see what I can get on my phone, but I had no intention of like actually buying it. I just wanted to see if I would have the opportunity to. And I remember signing in on my phone, and there's like a little drop box where you pick what is it, the premium box, the deluxe box, or I can't think of the other one, Supreme, Deluxe, and Premium. Yeah. So I had no other choice than to pick Premium. But anyways, I wasn't buying anything like for me, but Roseanne ended up picking one for me, and she was like, "It's your gift for Valentine's Day." And I was like, "Oh, I'm crying." But yeah, so yeah, she got me that, and they all arrived on Saturday, and we kind of just wanted to open it up together. Now, I had already spoiled myself by looking up the Supreme box, because I was really curious. I already saw some videos on YouTube of people posting what they got in there. And then I was just like, okay, so we're going to get one of these things, possibly. And I'm very happy with this box. And I'll show you guys what I got. But I'm sure if you're watching this, maybe you haven't seen it. So this was $60, and it retails, the retail value is $105. And it's supposed to come with 4 items. So I'm gonna open this up like I haven't opened this up before. Okay. So right off the bat, I will tell you, we did get a pop socket. So we got a Jeffree Star exclusive pop socket, and it's in a like baby pink, Pepto-Bismol pink, if you will. So that's that. I tried to do the math and try to do the retail value of everything, and that kind of failed because I don't know how much this would have cost, but pop sockets in general range from like $12 to $15, so I'm not really sure how much that was. But the second item is we got the gloss. So this comes in the color Succulent right here, and I can show you guys quickly what it looks like. Like how I boxed it back up, and it's so freaking pretty. Look at this. Where there's a camera. Look at it. So it has a so it's a pink with like little sparkles of like, from what I can see, is like gold and a little bit of purple sparkles. I don't know if it's blue or pink, but it's very like periwinkle to me. I could try swatching it. I don't know if this will do anything, but we could try. Okay. Well, you could see it. It's like a... Ooh, there you go. It's like a blue periwinkle pink color. It smells sweet, is what it smells like. So there's that. And again, the color is Succulent. I had to look up the retail value for glosses, and this is considered... This is an exclusive. Usually his glosses retail at like 18 bucks is what I was seeing. So I'm just going to say that was 18, I'm guessing. And then this one's super cute. So the next item we have is this really cute red beanie. And it has these cute little candy hearts on it. I could try to wear it. I don't know if I'm going to get hot doing it, but let's just put it on. So... I mean, my head is odd, so I feel like when I wear beanies, I look like I'm bald. See, I don't like how long that looks. So I'd probably just keep it like that. I mean, I'm sure this looks cuter. I can't rock it the way that I want to. But yeah, I like it because it has these cute little hearts right here, and it has the little logo, and then it says Jeffree Star. Okay, no, I'm gonna take that off. Okay. There, because I'm already getting hot. So, the last item in here. Oh yeah, that's considered an exclusive. So this is an exclusive. So me and Roseanne are opening our box, and we're going over the different things, and we're just like, oh my god, look at this lipstick. And I was just like, oh my God, look how cute these are. And then we're looking at the beanie. We're just in awe. And then I look at the box and I see, okay, it's not perfect anymore, but I see this wrapping paper. By then, Roseanne had already opened it and lost her goddamn mind because we got the Jeffree Star Alien palette, which looks super sick. So this is my very first Jeffree Star palette. So I was like super stoked to have this. First of all, look at this freaking size. It's as big as my head. And then when we open it up, look at this. All these pretty colors. All these pretty colors. So I learned that this is discontinued and apparently it's super rare and you can't really find it in stores. Morphe ran out of it. Actually, I went to Morphe yesterday just to look around and this obviously is no longer on the shelf. But yeah, this is the Alien palette. Now, first of all, the retail value of this is like $52. So the box itself is $60. This is already getting your money's worth for the most part because it's $52. And I honestly wasn't expecting to get a palette in the smallest box. Even though it was like $60, I figured like his palettes are around 50 something. So I didn't want to get too hyped, but I got this and it's so pretty. Yes. I mean, I can do swatches. I also don't want to ruin this because it's so freaking cute. Look at it. Oh, I can do the names. Okay, so this is Pluto, Titan, Alien, Interstellar, Abduction, UFO, Gravitea, Martian Soil, Flying Saucer, Phone Home, Moon Rock, X-Files, Ghost OG, Area 51, Space Cowboy, Probe, Tall Gray, and this one right here is the Black Hole. So cute. I don't know if I want to do swatches. I do, but I don't know if I want to do them live. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and try to record me swatching this. So let's start with, I'm gonna start from left to right. So this is Pluto. Just like this white shimmery color. Titan. Alien, which is a shimmery green color. Ooh, I like that one a lot. That is so pretty. Interstellar is the next color. Ooh, these shimmers are fucking awesome. And they're so smooth. Okay, the next, this one is this like lime green one, which kind of looks like the food videos color one from the Conspiracy palette. Okay, so this is Abduction. Just like a neon green. And then we got UFO. Ooh, this really pretty gold. I hope I have enough room on my arm. Okay, now the next one is Gravitea, which looks like another like nude color. You can kind of see it. It's kind of my skin tone, just like one shade lighter. Martian Soil. Just right there. Flying Saucer. Wow, that's a fun one. Phone Home. Maybe you can see it, it's the very end. I am running out of room. Maybe I'll just use the side of this. Okay, let's see, we got Moon Rock. Wow, that's so pretty. I'm using like a wipe too. And then I'm also drying my hand off so I can touch the next one. And then we have X-Files. Just this pretty brown color. Then we have Ghost OG. Just like black color. Like a black smoky color. Then we have Area 51. I was also really excited about this one. It's like a purple. So, put it right there. Ooh. I'm not even really going that hard with these. Okay, so this one is Space Cowboy. Ooh, I really like that one. That one's really pretty. It's like brown sparkles. And then, Probe. Wow. I like that one. It looks like brown, but then it looks like this really pretty, like, aqua-y color. You got 2 more to go, 2 more to go. So this is Tall Gray. Just this pretty gray color. This is the last one, which is Black Hole. Wow, I finally did swatches and it looks okay. There you go. God, these are so pretty. Okay, so that's that for the box. And on top of that, Roseanne also picked up mirrors. So you can see the mirror that I got. Okay. This is what I got. Look how big this freaking thing is. It's like a goddamn lollipop. Look at this thing. Look at it. It's my head. Okay, I'm going to twist it, but then you can kind of see what my setup is. So I'm just going to do that and then that. It is freaking huge. And it's so good to be able to just look at your face. But yeah, I now have this and I'm so excited. Thank you, Roseanne. Yeah, I was really, really happy in general with how these mystery boxes, or how the Valentine's mystery box went down. I'm super happy with all the stuff that I got. And yeah, I hope that there's more coming soon. I think they were saying that there would be another. I'm assuming that there's more like for Halloween again, which is gonna be something I really like. I actually really enjoy mystery boxes. I know a lot of the videos that I've been seeing, a lot of people have been pissed off or just like not so happy with some of the stuff they get. Like there's a lot of videos where people got the Blue Blood palette and they weren't happy. Well, I mean, they were happy, but they were just kind of bummed and were hoping that they got another palette because they already own it. But I just feel like that's just the risk you take by getting a mystery box. You never know what you're going to get. So it's like if you're more open to it, then you'll enjoy it more. Yeah. So I was super happy about this. And then obviously just lately his newest palette, the, what is it? Bloodlust came out. And that looks cool too. I don't think I'll hop on it too quickly because... God, trying to keep up with this makeup stuff, it gets pricey. I am excited and do want to get my hands on the Conspiracy palette once that drops. I am assuming next month because we're already in March. But yeah, if you got this far, thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.